Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to watch Aruj Ishfaq's new video called Casual Relationships. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Okay, has anyone here, a lot of young people here, okay, so I need to ask this question. Has anyone here done this thing called a casual...
I'm so sorry. We have this thing like my friends, close friends, all my good friends, close friends. हम में से जब भी कोई भंड मार देता है ना इस तरह का, कोई वर्ड मिस स्पीक कर देता है, तो सारे उसी वक्त सब कुछ बंद करके सिर्फ उस वर्ड पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना शुरू कर देते हैं और आपको बहुत बुरा फील कराता है कि साले जाहिल, क्या तू इंटेलिजेंस नहीं तेरे अंदर, तेरा दिमाग एक वर्ड फॉर्म नहीं कर सकता पूरा, जाहिल साले, इस तरह की बातें शुरू कर देते हैं. सो या एवरी फ्रेंड हैज देयर मेमोरेबल भंड ऑल्सो. सब दोस्तों के एक एक वर्ड है जो सबको याद है कि याद है तूने ये चीज यहाँ पे हरकत की थी एक दफा. That's what she did. She instead of saying she said does then when she was gonna say done this. That's just, it's not her fault, but it's so funny because it's like an inside joke for me. You know what I mean? Like अगर ये मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड होती है, मेरी दोस्त होती, तो आज के बाद जब भी मैं इससे बात करता तो रैंडमली मैं बोलता डस्टिन, how are you डस्टिन, क्या हाल है? I'm sorry, I know I'm laughing too much for no reason. Let's keep watching.
Has anyone here done this thing?
Even she laughed, but she didn't lose her composure because she has to tell her joke. But उसको भी ऐसी है कि what the fuck was that?
Thing called a casual relationship. Okay, cool. Reluctantly, she's like admitting like she's in court. Me. In case you haven't done a casual relationship, let me explain what it is. It's when one person is casual. And the other person is relationship. They never tell each other. And I'm always relationship, okay? So my role as relationship is to wait for casual to text me all day. And when he does finally text me, he's like, hey babe, sorry, I was busy, I wasn't paying attention. I'm like, what? मैं तो notice भी नहीं किया. मैं तो अमेरिका जाके आ गई. मैंने कराटे सीख लिया. You just have to pretend to have a whole life. I saved his number as don't text him. But then I would call him. The thing is, I need attention, okay? And you're like, yeah, Aruj, you're on stage with the mic. We all know. But boys can also tell. So he would ask me, he would say, hey, you know this is casual, right? I was like, what makes you think I don't know? Snuggle bunny. I love you. It's like, what? I'm like, nothing, love you. Say love you and run away really fast. I wanted to know if he was seeing other girls, but I couldn't directly ask him. So what I would do is whenever I'd go to his house, I would try to get his maid alone.
Wow. Man, women would come up with ideas that are just out of this world. Like, just that's a reason to give power to women. Let them run the world. They might do a better job than, guys have been doing for so far. But then again, women will find jugade when it comes to a relationship, when it comes to their men, when it comes to their boyfriends. They will find ways, man. They will find ways. Like, you have no luck. Just, you're fucked, my dude. You're Jon Snow. You don't know shit when it comes to women going against you. उसने उसकी मेड को घेर लिया कि ये तो बताएगी, ये तो उसको तो बताना पड़ेगा. हाँ दीदी, वो रात को भी एक लड़की आती है और दिन में भी एक आती है और उन दोनों को भी नहीं पता कि वो एक दूसरे से मिली है.
I would just corner her in the kitchen. I'd be like, यहाँ दूसरी लड़कियाँ आती है क्या? Say, excuse me? नहीं, वो सावर में ना हमारी engagement हो गई है इसलिए. साहब ने तो कुछ नहीं कहा. नहीं, मैं उनके बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. Please just tell me. She's like, just so you know, साहब ने कुछ नहीं कहा और हमारा भी casual चल रहा है.
Ouch.
I was like, thanks, man. But that didn't deter me. It didn't. I kept trying. I was trying.
Wow, that didn't deter you. I hope this is not a true story, man.
For like 3 years. Yep, that's right.
It's sad.
Persistence. I kept trying for 3 years. And finally I was like, you know what? If you don't want me, you can't have me. Just in an attempt to save some dignity, I was like, yeah, you don't want me, you can't have me. I was like, all right, I'm going away. So I received the message loud and clear, I was like, la 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 la, I'm leaving you. And I think when I did that, I got like 1,000 times hotter all of a sudden. Because then he's like, la 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 la, I think I like you. So I was like, oh la 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 la, I'm coming back. This is just a trick. He's like, oh la 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 la, I don't want you anymore again.
Yeah.
I was like, stop it. Why are we tap dancing? Can we just date? Then we start dating, okay? And that didn't go very well. Because when you start dating someone this way, they have all the power, right? You're like, yeah, Ruj, we know. It's true, they have all the power. I also feel like, here's what I learned from this relationship. I learned that men feel really comfortable calling women crazy. Yup. If you're a woman and you've been called crazy, can you please give me a cheer?
Wow.
I felt the cheer in your throats. And then you all stopped. You were like, no one else is doing it.
Okay, that might be true because women will never accept that somebody call them crazy or wanna hear the word crazy. It freaks them out. It makes them go even crazier. So that's true, bro. I've experienced this myself. एक दफा गलती कर दी थी एक औरत को crazy बोल के पागल बोल के. Don't do it.
It's fine, guys. And the way I realize this is that if women have to discuss a relationship fight, okay, they usually go like, yeah, and then he said this, and then I said this, and he said this. And do you think I'm crazy? Like, am I being too much? It's always introspecting, you know? But if guys have to discuss a fight, they're like, yeah, and then she said this, and I said this, and she said this, and do you think she's crazy? I think she's crazy.
I mean,
I feel like men are so confident that if they were having a fight with another man on the road, they'd be like, yeah, and then he said this, and then I said this, and then he said this. And there's a woman standing across the street. Do you think she was crazy? I got some serious crazy vibes from her. It's just so confident. But anyway, that relationship ended, and I felt really bad because this is the first time in my adult life I had faced rejection, okay? Like full frontal rejection. I was like, this is too much. And I didn't know what to do with the pain of rejection. I mean, I could have gone to therapy. But instead, I Googled it. I was like, why pain hurt?
why pain hurt? Why
My relationship end feels so bad. And Google gave me an answer. This is what scientists are doing, by the way. Not finding the cure for herpes. But they did this thing called neuroimaging, okay? And neuroimaging is basically जब वो आपके brain का candid लेता है. So they found that when someone rejects you or if someone hits you, the same part of your brain is activated.
Oh.
Okay? So I was like, okay, cool. Good to have this information. So now, when I like a boy, I don't tell him. I just punch myself in the face. And then I'm like, wow, what a fulfilling relationship. This is what I came for.
This is what I came for. That's sarcasm. Okay, Ruj, as always, pretty smart, very funny. Always funny. That was a smart stand-up set. Certain things I even kind of exposed myself with the overconfidence of calling, women crazy just like that. And yeah, I don't know, guy. I mean, हमारी society में usually guys are, raised with a very no bullshit attitude. Like, don't fucking think about stupid shit that doesn't matter. I don't give a shit कि ये shirt जो है वो red है या black है या yellow है या fuchsia है या I don't even know how to say that name of that color. Or, whatever the color is, who gives a fuck कि किसी चीज का color क्या है? What does it matter? Unless it's a stop sign or a signal, traffic signal, it doesn't matter कि उस चीज का color क्या है. But then again, to a lot of guys also, but mostly women, it matters. So this is what gives the confidence to guys to call women crazy so easily. कि यार, they're crazy. They care about things that nobody should care about. That's the problem with guys. कि हम सोचते हैं कि oh, she's too sensitive or she's like she said that introspective joke कि women are always like introspecting कि यार am I being too crazy? Am I? So उसके दो reasons हैं. एक reason ये कि yes, because you're mostly your basic default mode is crazy sometimes. So of course you should be introspecting. Of course you should be looking within because you are like that most of the time. So maybe this time you were also being crazy. But the second part of it is that, it also exposes how guys do not introspect. How guys are like, if I believe in it, must be right. That's हमारा logic ये है. हमारी सोच सारे बंदों का, ज़्यादातर का at least यही है कि अगर मैं मानता हूँ तो सच होगा, जाहिर सी बात है सच होगा. ये नहीं होता कि सच है इसलिए मैं मानता हूँ. वो कहते प्रेजेंट इस तरह करते हैं आर्ग्यूमेंट कि भाई मैं इस चीज में बिलीव इसलिए करता हूँ क्योंकि ये सच है. बट जो हमारे अंदर जो बिलीव होता है ना वही होता है कि बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन इट, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ट्रू. आई होप यू गाइस सी दिस विद इन योरसेल्फ. खुद आइडेंटिफाई करने में कोई शर्म नहीं है, किसी को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. खुद अपने कमरे में अकेले बैठ के कभी आप सोचोगे ना इस बारे में कि हाँ यार, आई डू थिंक लाइक दैट कि इफ बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन इट माइट बी राइट. व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट थिंग्स दैट यू थॉट वर राइट एंड देन यू फिगर्ड एंड डिस्कवर्ड एंड लर्न के रॉन्ग है, उन चीजों पे ये see what I did there? I was going to say law and rule and I said lewd. So that I did that too. But yeah, so you think that's the rule and then you find out कि नहीं यार, this was wrong the whole time. This was just wrong, plain wrong. when she did that bit about la la la, I'm leaving you, la la la, oh you're so hot now, la la la, I'm coming back, and then he's like, oh no, I don't want you anymore. This is also a very big problem with guys mostly. दोनों की गलती होती है in a way that they both can't make up their mind, but mostly guys are like, I don't want to be in a club that will have me as a member. ये वाली जो mentality है ना, बहुत बड़ा plague है ये हमारे बंदों के ज़हन पे. It brings us down. It really makes us do stupid things. कि oh, इस club में मुझे membership मिल रही है, they must not have high standards that much, so I don't want it. जब आपको कोई चीज़ मिल रही होती है, आपको नहीं चाहिए होती है, और जब नहीं मिल रही होती है, तो आपको चाहिए होती है. Reverse psychology हमारे बंदों पे बहुत चलती है, लड़कों पे बहुत चलती है. So that was a good joke. That was a very smart joke. Aruj has a very good stage presence, man. I think I watch her routines just to see her stage presence, her charisma, her confidence to deliver her jokes, and the very professional way she delivers them in. Yes, she stumbles sometimes. Everybody does, and she's really courageous enough to put that on there in the videos. She could have removed that, but point is कि उसकी जो delivery है बहुत proper. एक comedian जो होता है ना, stand-up comedian, वो she represents that. She's like the comedian of a comedian. मेरी नज़र में she's one of those people who have, you know, होते हैं musicians होते हैं कुछ कि आम आवाम को उन musicians के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता होता, but the musicians know कि ये musician कितना पापी है, ये बंदा कितना genius है. So that's the case with Aruj Ashfaq and some other comedians as well. She's like the comedian's comedian. Every comedian knows how good she is, but mass markets don't really, you know, get to understand or watch her show or her skill. But people still love her. Like it's not that she's like a nobody. People know her. She's famous. Yeah, guys. So that was Aruj Ashfaq, Casual Relationships, a very funny stand-up comedy routine. Let me know how you guys enjoyed watching it. Leave your comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Farooq Not Farooq. Patreon pledge to get a shout out in the next videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Shabba khair.